So the first BMW 2002 that we will visit to online a couple of weeks. It's going to be this one here on Karin Classic. Let's see. I was really impressed by this BMW. The asking price is 30,000. There are no offers yet. It's a 1975 2002 right-hand drive, 90,000 miles, 2cc, a private seller, and the car is in Coventry, United Kingdom. Full nut and bolt restored, selling reluctantly. The car needs nothing, he claims. Just get in and drive. I've talked to the owner already. He's a really nice guy. He's on me reviewing the car next week. So I'll be paying him a visit in Coventry to look at the car, but we can have a quick look through the pictures now. A short, quick review before I actually make the visit. So let's look at the pictures. So the car obviously has a suspension, low, it looks good. It's got nice aftermarket wheels. Nice paint job with crisp lines. Of course, it looks to be a sporty modified automobile. So cleverly, the owner has removed the chrome around it. It's a good move. It shows a little bit more sportive look, and the bumpers. He has added these inserts there in the front. It's very easy to put the old bumpers in. The car looks crisp on this side too, crisp lines, looking really good. And it's got the nice plastic inserts in the front. Interior, it's got a nice seats, clean, one little crack here, which is nothing, not important, and expected in most BMWs. Carpet looks nice and clean. Yeah, the car looks really good. Let's just go over the pictures. Obviously, he's taken part in some car shows. Here that the chrome is nice and tight. It's got some bolts on the door cards, which is usual. Most door cards lose, the fittings. So that's a smart move to actually use some nice bolts to keep them in place. Most BMWs are like that. Yeah, nice looking interior, red. It's got seat belts in the back. Looking really good. And now the engine compartment. We see that this is during the painting phase. Nice paint job in the engine. We can see the the right-hand drive booster for British cars. The engine has been rebuilt. I don't have any history on the car, but the owner will tell us when I visit him next week. We can see that it's a nice paint job. All the details nicely done. Yep, the engine mirror here looks good. Yeah, that's a good move to paint the light bases black. It's really a smart move, so they don't show from the front. Yeah, it looks to be a good job. We'll see more when I visit the owner and we talk about the car up close. So that for now. Be patient until next week when we actually visit the car and talk to the owner.